Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2566 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to the turbocharger boost control position sensor, and a problem with this sensor can affect turbocharger operation and engine performance. If you continue driving with this problem, you may experience loss of power, poor acceleration, inconsistent boost, poor fuel economy, or limp mode. What does P2566 mean? P2566 stands for Turbocharger Boost Control Position Sensor, a circuit intermittent. In simple words, the ECU has detected an intermittent or unstable signal from the turbocharger boost control position sensor. This sensor tells the ECU the actual position of the turbocharger's boost control mechanism. Depending on the vehicle, this mechanism may operate a wastegate or a variable geometry turbocharger. The ECU constantly compares the commanded turbocharger position with a position reported by the sensor. If the sensor signal suddenly drops out, becomes unstable, or changes unexpectedly, the ECU may store the P2566 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2566, you may notice: check engine light on, intermittent loss of engine power, poor acceleration, inconsistent turbo boost, turbocharger hesitation, sudden changes in engine performance, poor fuel economy, reduced throttle response, and sometimes the vehicle may enter limp mode. One important clue is that the problem may come and go. The vehicle might drive normally one moment and lose power the next. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. The turbocharger boost control position sensor is normally mounted on or near the turbocharger actuator. Depending on the vehicle, it may be integrated into the wastegate actuator or variable geometry turbocharger actuator. The sensor connects to the ECU through an electrical wiring harness. Because the turbocharger operates in a very hot environment, wiring and connectors can become brittle, damaged, or loose over time. The most common causes of P2566 include faulty turbocharger boost control position sensor, loose electrical connector, corroded connector terminals, damaged wiring harness, broken wires inside the insulation, wiring rubbing against the engine or exhaust, poor sensor ground, intermittent power or reference voltage, sticking turbocharger actuator, sticking wastegate or variable geometry mechanism, or ECU problems. In rare cases, an intermittent wiring or connector problem is especially important to check with this code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional turbocharger or boost-related codes. Inspect the sensor connector carefully. Look for loose terminals, corrosion, moisture, or damaged locking tabs. Inspect the wiring from the sensor all the way back toward the ECU. Pay special attention to areas near the turbocharger and exhaust because of extreme heat. Use a digital multimeter to check the sensor's power, ground, and signal circuits. Then monitor the sensor's live data with a professional scan tool. Move or gently manipulate the wiring harness while monitoring the sensor signal to help identify an intermittent connection. Also check whether the turbo actuator moves smoothly. How to fix P2566: repair damaged wiring. Secure loose wiring away from hot exhaust components. Repair poor electrical connections, clean or replace corroded connector terminals. Replace the faulty boost control position sensor if testing confirms failure. Repair or replace a sticking turbocharger actuator. Repair vacuum control problems if applicable. Clear the trouble code. And perform a road test while monitoring turbo position and boost pressure. Final result: fixing P2566 will restore stable turbocharger position feedback, improve boost control, restore consistent engine power, improve acceleration, improve fuel efficiency, prevent unexpected limp mode, and help your turbocharged engine operate smoothly again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.